Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka Solace and Peace Innerwear hakan riu tarik unai luar arja pulai kala pelak bai ki jan phong jong ki Kynthei ha prime hom ka badan hapulu Shillong yakini ki Patlun po bala su pat bala Pynmih na kini ki jala Meghalaya la pelak ba ha ka jingdon lang jong ka nongseng ya ka Solace and Peace Innerwear ka kong Shida Lin Marbanyang u co-founder u Pravin Prabhakaran u Dr. Arnes Marbanyang u ba Zachary Tempuny ki bahayang hasambat kiwi-kiwi.
Na kalian kejungi di dia supply di kali step, but ngani tu ki kendet di kanal kot undung ni sedang balai bangi ni sedang ya kanika ka inward production. Dan haba ni pe hayang lahat ni iba bun ni penun kamar lapasni ya kata ka basic necessities ka bangi penun kamar lapasni ka kiwai na ba kiwan bandek business bigaya. Dia ni pada persyang balik ni persyang ni nala de pengindai na bentah ya nade. So tak ada ila sedang nadu ubnai idan ha kejing perkat ni sedang nadu ubnai Jun tanpa mention sedang tanpa ila ban terulong ya ka nadu ubnai Desember. Tanpa ubnai Desember orang datang long ka training session ha ka bangi ila ban Pynmih ya umar sumi hadu ubnai March. Ke dan bun kijing ladai ki kejingsu lah kabai dai bat ki mesin nama mesin ni miok na ya. So tang tadi palat ya kata ngan tang iwe ikintian ma ngan kwa pan pasyat ha kene kasdat ba ladang ni kwa man kerja ni kun samla la syad sesmi wat ada nimla ban sengkam na de persyang ban kerjanya ki datwa pikir ya kimat maupun mihi na Meghalaya bakiru ini omensib.
The reason why I have started with innerwear is it's easy to stitch, it's easy to market, plus it's a very essential product. We all know that even though we don't buy what clothes in a year, definitely we buy at least 3 to 6 pairs, like of 3 to 6 pairs of innerwear every year. So that is more towards like what a more hygiene product. So it's a more essential product. And the reason to do this is very again, like we'll be able to get that cash flow, we'll be able to do a lot of business. It's almost a low value product. So we'll be able to get into the market very easily. So that is the reason we have started with innerwear. Obviously we'll be growing. For sure, like we have a plan that we have to set at least 50 industrial units, like sewing machines, and we need to employ them on a regular basis. So that is what we are planning it in future, and obviously we guys need your support for that. You guys have to go and keep on promoting made in Meghalaya products. So whenever you go to shop, you make sure that whenever product you buy, you look back where it has been made, where the product is coming from. That is really important. Just imagine from the time we wake up and from the time we go to bed, all the products and services we use, and how many products is being made in our state, how many products is being made also. Yeah, I understand that. It's impossible to do all the products, like A to Z everything in a same place in the within the local manufacturing. But still, there are few products, few services which can always be made, which using local skills and local resources. So that is something that we should always try to push it.
Businessman. But how about you isang halong bakar bakar? Kita may kibarori na marba, kiospa nandi pakimay. Hani usamla nanda wan shani. Hindi mo wat spa ima. Hindi wat yang ikibreo kuno kanyara. Kata ko ngasuk ng pang hapor bawan ng pang sini. Ikong sila isuk kum namante. We can start small things and we can go ahead with so many other things.
I know this is the very brave initiative, like Sal said, to launch underwear or innerwear. Because he asked me to start any product, this will be the last thing in my head. Because something about, you feel like, okay, this is not the right way to start a startup. That's why I congratulate Shida, Sir, and the team who are actually so brave enough to put this up to this level. I know for sure you have a market, you just need to properly do your marketing in a proper way. You definitely grow with this. And since you're making with cotton, it has more advantage than any other materials. Because with cotton, it is breathability, or it has space, it can absorb the moisture, it can prevent infection, and it reduces all those what we call irritations and discomfort when you have an innerwear, as compared to nylon and any other synthetic material. So kudos to that, you have chosen the correct material, at least for the beginning now. And I wish you also all the best.
Solace and peace.
Solace and peace.